Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to save or download video from Telegram, iPhone or iPad. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your App Store and on the search bar simply type in Telegram and then check to see if the app needs an update or not. Now, if the app needs an update, simply update the app to the latest version, which will ease your process. Now the next thing is open up your Telegram. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is select the contact that you want to download the video from. Now here you can see I'll select this contact and here you'll have the video as well. Now in order to save it, what you can do is just simply tap on this arrow icon on the bottom left corner of the screen, and then you'll find an option that says save video. Tap on it, and that's basically how you can do it. Now the another option is simply tap on the three dot icon on the top right corner of the screen, and then here you'll find the option that says save video, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.